Welcome back guys. And in WhatsApp, if you are finding this problem in your phone, that is your phone while opening WhatsApp, it is prompting that you need the official WhatsApp to use this account. If this problem is coming, I am going to address this problem in this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider to subscribe this channel. So first of all, what you need to do, go to the Play Store and here just tap on here and then go to the Play Protect, and here in Play Protect go to the setting and try to switch off this, turn off this and turn off this. After that try, and this might happen that your problem has been solved. But if your problem is persisting, then go to the setting. After doing this, go to the setting, go to the apps, search for WhatsApp, and then go to the storage and clear cache, and after that you can clear data also, nothing will go. So after doing this, if you are using WhatsApp, it should work. If it is not working, then try to uninstall WhatsApp and then reinstall WhatsApp from Play Store. Check if it works. If it is not working, then go to the Google Chrome and here just contact WhatsApp, search for this, and here go to the contact WhatsApps. Here just WhatsApp India, contact WhatsApp, WhatsApp message support, contact us, and here go, here write your number, email address, confirm email address, and here just write down the problem. Hi team or hi dear, anything, just, and my WhatsApp is not working, I am a genuine user, describe your problem and send that. It will ask from some questions, then avoid it, and after that just submit it. WhatsApp customer care will contact you and your problem should be solved. So this is all what I wanted to tell you. If you are getting, you need the official WhatsApp to use this account, then you can try these steps, 4 steps. First, Play Protect disable, second, clear cache, third, uninstall WhatsApp, and fourth, contact WhatsApp support. That's all. If you like the video, please consider to subscribe this channel. Thank you very much.